Yeah.
So today we're off to Tom Wrigley's. I've got some driving lessons booked with McLovin. He's going to show me how to launch the car. Let's go. We're not playing games, man. Obviously, man's got to edit on the go, you get me? I'm filming, editing, all myself. Here we are, look, we're working. So we're on the way to pick the G81 up, and we're editing tonight's, well not tonight's, but tomorrow night's video. So we've just entered Oswald Street into the land of McLovin. We've come to see Mr. Wrigley. I was away on holiday last week and I got Ethan from Stealth Movements. Big up to my boy Ethan. Thank you for transporting the G81 to Tom's. It just needed a few little tweaks just to get it dialed in and running properly just before the pull-up event. Shout out to Michael Shoeblacker, man like MSB. Thank you for organising the event and giving us some tickets. So I will be landing there on Saturday with Team Wrigley Performance and Team Gtech Motorsports. We're taking two cars, the B58 platform, my Monster M240i, and the G81 1200 horsepower in Smyrna Green. Here's MT. Come on, there's the G81, the king of G81s.
Yes, sir.
Ah, yeah? BD6 and that. BD3, I'm after McLovin, innit? Want to see something big, guys? Look at the size of that turbo, mate.
Fucking massive, isn't it?
It's bigger than my head, mate. And I've got a big head.
What's this pushing?
Size of the turbo, man.
15 plus.
Fucking hell.
Don't even know really. Cool. It's running 80 quarter mile, that's all you need to know.
Wow.
Easy.
Wow.
Told you.
83mm turbo.
You know anyone's selling a good M3?
G80?
Yeah, wrong one. I got the It's connected to
You're not fucking waiting.
That's what we need.
You've got all the sauce, mate.
So we're just about to hit the track with Tom. He's going to give me some driving lessons on how to launch the car, because obviously I have launched a few cars, but 1200 horsepower launching that, I think the shit's going to come out. So he's going to teach me. I'm just going to hit the track. Just putting some more McLovin juice in there, though. It's McLovin in. So yeah, we're going to hit the track. Let's launch it, baby. What you fucking flashing on now, Tom?
Full sauce.
Basically keep mine off now until you need to. So we're in the car going on to the Wrigley test track to get wriggled. Oh. This is the first time I've been in it with an uprated torque converter as well. Oh. Like I said, I was on holiday. And, let's see what it's about. Fucking hell, Tom! Fucking hell! It's Wrigley time!
Fucking run for this! Pass me up!
In a minute, Tom's going to teach me how to launch this bad boy properly. That's why we've got the L plates, so I'll just keep them here.
I don't want to ruin it. Sure. Take it easy. In auto.
Manual.
You're doing manual, right?
Race driver. That time of the day again. Back at the fuel station. This is the natural habitat of the G81. So V-Power 99 Ron or Tesco Momentum is what we drink around here. Pounds and 7 pence. Can't have these cars and not put fuel in them. If you're worried about efficiency, don't buy a G81. She wants the. Next time I ring you, all I'm going to say is.
Fuck with your own side, yeah? Not my side.
What's it like for you to see this? You know, like you've known me since I was 10 years old. What's it like?
You know, on a serious note.
On a serious note.
I feel really proud that what you've done for yourself, and you've done it all on your accord. Yes, you started off working with, I think, Rolls-Royce or whatever it was. BMW, then you went to Rolls-Royce.
Yeah.
You've learned the trade, you learned how to do it all yourself. You were hands-on, and starting your own business, and then taking it step by step further and further, developing engines and doing this, and then what you've done to this, it's just amazing.
Different story.
Very different story. I mean, 1,200 horses is what I'm seeing in, and the way this thing shifts is unbelievable. And the good thing is you can drive it like a normal person.
Look, we're
like
just
now.
driving it normally
Yeah.
now, no noise.
So I just feel really proud that, I also feel proud that I was the first person when you were 10 years old. No, not 10 years old. I've known you since you were 10 years old. I think you were about a teenager.
Yeah, I was about 15.
In 2002, when I bought my E46 M3, and I took you out in it, and then I did donuts on your side of the village road as well, and showing you donuts, and you just fell in love with the BMs. And you know what?
That's it. From that day I was on the M.
So,
How was the first drive, man?
Fucking sick, mate. Throwing it around the bends, throwing it around roundabouts. It's not catching. Sits nice. Yeah, man. She's ready. She's fucking ready, son.